HubKoin Exchange Tutorials, the dashboard. To access your dashboard, you will need to log into your HubKoin account. Navigate to the HubKoin login page, enter your credentials, and click Login. When you log in, you will be redirected to your dashboard. Your dashboard will by default show you the Your Snapshot page. This page has 3 sections. The first is your transfer requests. If you have any current transfer requests pending, they will show here. The second is the Market Overview section. This section shows you the current trading activity of different assets. You can select which asset you want to see in the drop-down menu. The third section is Balances. This section shows you the current value of your investments. The fourth section is Recent Activity. This section shows you any recent trades you have made. The other tab in the dashboard is called Market Data. This section gives you a pricing overview of the assets currently available. We hope this screen will help make your trading experience easier by providing you with quick, personalized details to assist you in your investing journey.